Okay, so how can we do list building in YouTube? Let's time this start to finish for doing the setup part so that we are ready, waiting for people who are searching for a product where we are going to entice them to come into our pre-scheduled live event so that they can collect a bonus right now, so that you can build a list from those people who are familiar with the product names, who are probably 99% buyers of those kind of products on JVZero and Warrior Plus, etc, etc. Okay, so we want to try and build a buyers list, even though they're not buying directly from us right now, but we're going to entice them in so that we can build that list on autopilot. And just let's see how long it takes from start to finish for this setup. Okay, so I've already got a little bit of a head start. What I've done is I've come into my video section over here, and I've got most of this done because I had everything ready to copy and paste anyway. So this took me about 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, it's very, very, very quick at this point to do that part. So what I want to do is go over into munchai.com. Okay, munchai.com, you can see here, and I'm going to find a product launch coming up that I think, if somebody is searching for that particular product, then they are probably more than likely to be buyers or regular buyers of these products every week, sometimes every day. Some of these people are buying. Okay, so come down. This one here, 1997 Leads Hunter. Okay, Leads Hunter. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I've got this TXT file here. This TXT file here. I'm going to change the word product with Leads Hunter. Is it leads or lead? Let me just see one more time. Leads Hunter. Okay. Replace product Leads Hunter. Replace all. Okay. Now, just put that to the side for now. Open up here. I'll go into the long tail alpha. I'm going to create a new project. I'll call it Leads Hunter. Okay, and I'll click on OK. Now here's where I'm going to put my titles and stuff in here, and that's going to be taken from here. You see here what is Leads Hunter review, Leads Hunter demo, etc, etc. Okay, I'm just going to save that. Okay, and I'm going to come into my live stream here. Now there's my keywords again, just 1 second. You can see I've got this with comma separated as well, ready to go. All you're going to do every time is change the product name. So I'll come into my videos, I'll double click on here, I'll come down here and paste this in here, and we can basically save the changes. I've got all of these bonuses in here. I'll show you what they look like in a second, and everything is ready to go. Save the changes. Okay, in the options, ping the URLs after uploading. Index here, I'm going to choose the Leads Hunter over right here, and we'll choose, I'll just put it in maximum 10 threads. I can't remember how many titles we got in there. So all of this is ready. Okay, everything is ready. Start to upload. Okay, so what is missing here is that I forgot to clone that. Now, because I forgot to clone that, what I can do is I can basically just go into my project and I can click on, in the accounts, I can click on clone here, and all three of them will clone again. Okay, so when I come back into my videos, I'm going to start to upload again. You can see how fast this is. This is how we can saturate these product launches. Okay, now let's have a look at what we got. Click for your pre-launch. We've got Leads Hunter bonus come in here, and what we got is a whole bunch of links that will take them to these kind of Chrome store pages where they can install these Chrome extensions. These are checklists. Okay, you can see here they're all checklists, growth hacks, toolkit, all that kind of stuff. It's all in here. You can do this with anything. You can do this with PLR or whatever. I use Chrome extensions because I have a tool that builds them. It's called Lead Blaster. You can take a trial of that. So basically what you can do there is you can basically have a bunch of these ready to go, and so that when people come in, they spend a little bit of time on your page, so they don't just bounce off straight away. This is kind of interesting stuff. Well, what do you mean 99 super affiliate hacks at work? What is that about? They click on it, they go to look at it while your page is still open in the background. Okay, so you're keeping them in here. They think, okay, let's give that a try. I'll install it. I'm familiar with the Chrome store. And then they go to open it and it's asking them for an email. So you collect an email address. And I've got, you know, a multitude of these. Here is what else is happening here. Remember those tags I did? Well, now they've been turned into hashtags as well. Okay. What if I wanted to have both hashtags and that? Then simple. All we do is we take these keywords that we've got in here and we basically just stick them in at the end here. You don't need the software to copy and paste that for you. So you got it in that format inside your description, but also if you click here to append the tags, then it's going to make those hashtags as well. So we can save the changes there, so that you have this kind of format that just helps you with your optimization. And you can see this is nice and big and loud and bold, so people are just, you know, drawn to it. They think, what is this about? And we saturate the market with all those different variations that we've got in here. So that was the first one we looked at. Let's have a look at some more. And you can see we got these professional thumbnails done. Have a look at another one. Okay, that one's, that thumbnail has slipped in. They shouldn't be there. Okay, it's no big deal, I can delete that later. This feels slow, the computer's slow today. Reads Hunter contest, that's gone in different angles again. You can see that we can just keep doing this, so you can have a whole bunch of these. Now what I will do is I will go through some product launches today, some recent product launch video campaigns from other people, and I will find the tags that they are using. In fact, I can do it right now. If I just open up VidCurate, we can do it right now. And basically what we can see there is the type of angles that people are using, the modifiers that people are using. So people are using modifiers like reviews, best, bonus, demo, interview, the name of the product creator, etc, etc, etc. So what we can do then is I can come up here and click on add a new project, and I'll just call this one review. Actually, let's do this one as what was a recent one. Let's just go over to munchai.com. I can't remember any off the top of my head. munchai.com. Okay, this grab vid, let's see if that works. Okay. Click to add this. Oops, I forgot to put my now I'm not actually going to create a playlist. That's a separate strategy that will work really well with this, but what we'll do is we will go and find what other people are doing. So what I'm going to do, I've just put in the name of the product so far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to import this into a sort of workstation area. So what I mean by workstation is I can move videos up and down inside the playlist. That's not the real power of this yet. What we do is we come into this info section in here and we click on the tag grabber, and we can see review, bonus, demo, bonuses, get, buy, reviews and bonus, walkthrough, software review. You can see what we're doing here. Okay, we're just in seconds, we are just ripping it apart. We're ripping it all apart in seconds. We're able to just go and find what other people are using. This is the 50 top ranked videos. This is all their tags and combinations in combination. So there's nothing, I'm not missing anything here. Okay, you can see that by the date and all that kind of stuff. Now I can just go ahead and keep doing that. and then I can grab this and copy it. Then we can put this into, let's put it into a new TXT file. And then what I can do is just take each one of these. We've got review, we've got bonus, we've got demo, we've got review and bonus, and you can see exactly what everybody's using. So what we can do is we can, you know, collect maybe about 20-30 of these that are sort of generic for every kind of launch, so that we can use those. Okay, and you can have your TXT file like this ready to go. All you're going to do is change the name of the product, and you can create those straight away. Okay, you can create those live events. You can create like 20 of them, 30 of them if you want to. The important thing is that you're going to put them into different YouTube channels in different Gmail accounts. You can set that up within this tool. Okay, so this tool is called Pre-Launch Live Streamer. That's how you can do it. And what you will do is you're going to start to build your email list from those links you have in your description, and 99% I would guess are going to be buyers of these kind of products on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Okay, so you'll be able to take advantage of that and really make a difference for your list building. And you can tag them as well. So when people are coming into these email lists, you can tag them. You can have a group of products or group of PLR stuff that you give away, and tag anybody who comes into those lists according to what it is that they have signed up for. So if it's a PPC tool, then tag it as traffic. Okay, so when a traffic product launch comes up for a traffic tool, then you've got a ready-made audience there that you can send an email to and recommend that product. Okay, that's how we can do it. That's how you can monetize. That's building a buyer's email list without even having the buyers yourself. You're just tapping into these product launches in advance with automation. Now you saw how quick that was. I spent more time talking. I could probably have done about 3 or 4 more by now. So you could do this like once a week. Just go and set it up. Spend a couple of hours once a week, set this up, and that's you building your email list for the next 6 months for that 2 hours you spent. And then do the same next week and the next week, and keep it building, keep compounding it. Okay, thanks for watching.